Find or read review that people are talking about Welder 110V 220V MMA IGBT VRD Hot Start 140A Welder Portable Arcade Force. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should buy Welder 110V 220V MMA IGBT VRD Hot Start 140A Welder Portable ARC. This is highlight features are included. Hot Start Easy Portable Arc Welder. Hot Start Adjustment Welder, 0 to 90 amp. Efficiency, energy saving, portable, stable arc, easy arc starting, less spatter, stable current and good shaping, anti-sticking IGBT inverter household welding machine. Good compensation of arc force welder, 0 to 90 amp. Used in conjunction with welding current adjustment, 20 to 140 amp, to achieve good welding results. Overload protection. Perfect self-protective function in cases of overvoltage, low voltage, overcurrent, overheat, safe and reliable welder. Automatic circuit breaker. In addition to being able to complete contact and break the circuit, it can not only protect the circuit or electrical equipment from short circuit, serious overload and undervoltage and more, but also be used to infrequently start the motor. Powerful welder capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. IGBT power device with unique control mode improves the reliability of welding machine. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.